Ang mensahe ng past person mo, Sagittarius. I hide behind material things. It was my fault, but I blame you. I feel you even though we are apart. I bury myself in work to forget you. I am not available. I will wait for a sign from you. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. Feeling good will bring me far more than whatever I thought I needed. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, yung iniisip mo, yun din yung na-attract mo. Kung masaya ka, yun din yung dumarating sa'yo. Basta isipin mo lang palagi kung ano yung magpapasaya sa puso mo, yun yung gawin mo, yun yung